So this is the Ripple price chart and it's finally looking bullish. So I have great news for you. In this video, what I want to do is I want to show you why I believe that Ripple could potentially rebound higher. So if you are a cryptocurrency trader, investor, then this video is for you. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to break down 6 factors which show that Ripple has the potential to go way higher. So the first thing that I want to point out is that Ripple is in an uptrend. Okay, so if you were to look at a big picture, the uptrend is still intact. So let me just show it to you on the charts. Okay, so right here we have the swing high, then we have the swing low, and then we have the higher high. Okay, this was the recent swing low, and as you can see, price has still not yet violated this swing low. Now, in fact, if you were to draw a trend line, something like this, okay, you can see that this trend line is still not broken as well. Okay, so for this reason, the big trend is still up, and I still think that you should be buying Ripple. Now, the second thing worth pointing is that if we were to switch to the weekly chart, you can see that price actually spiked this support right here 2 weeks ago. Now, if you were to switch over to the line chart, you can actually get the exact level to be 0.62793, which is roughly where price spiked two weeks ago. Okay, so price is kind of bouncing off support right now. Now, if you were to look at this recent swing low right here, okay, this low right here, you can also see that what happens is that there are a lot of stop losses below this level. So let me just draw it out for you. So what happens is that a lot of traders buy off this support level, okay, placing their stop loss just below this swing low right here. Okay, this is a very common way that most traders trade. Okay, they place their buy order somewhere here, or perhaps they buy when price was finding some support right here and they place their stop loss below. Now, for this reason, what the market had to do was the market had to whip out these stop losses. Okay, so it had to go lower to trigger these stop losses. Now, in fact, if we were to use the Fibonacci extension, which you can do over here, okay, what I'll do is I'll use the Fibonacci retracement and I'll plot it instead, and I'll just do the 1.272, okay, which is the typical Fibonacci extension. You can see that, let me just correct it, okay, this way will be better. Okay, just pull it up, okay, and you do it here. You can see that price also almost spiked this level, and this is in confluence with the support level which I mentioned previously. Okay, so there is profit taking as well. So traders who shorted here, okay, it's quite common for them to take profit at the 1.272 level. Okay, this coupled with the support level coming in, which is rather a strong support, this is why price is actually rebounding. But what got me really excited about Ripple is not just that price is bouncing off support, because price could potentially still bounce off support, something like this, bounce off, and then after that just do a minor bounce and then start breaking down. Okay, so what got me really excited is that there is a sign of an ascending triangle. So let me just show it to you right over here. Now you can see that this is a swing low and this is a higher low. Okay, in fact, this is a high and this is a higher high. So we are seeing some signs of a bullish momentum. Okay, it's kind of like transitioning to a bullish market condition. Okay, if you were to draw this trend line right here, then this entire pattern right here represents an ascending triangle. And how ascending triangle works is that, most of the time what will happen, it will do something like this, and then eventually it will break up. Okay, now if you are a existing subscriber of our channel, you will know that the structure within a structure is something that I talk a lot about on this channel. Okay, if you have not checked out our other videos, right, do check out. We have a lot of Forex trading tutorial videos for you on this channel. Now, let me just break down the structure within a structure for you. So right here at the first swing low right here at the bottom, you can see that there's a very nice engulfing pattern right here. Okay, this engulfing pattern not just closed above the body, but it closed above the entire range of the previous candle. So there is a sign of strength. Now, look at this second engulfing pattern right here. Okay, it's not as strong as this one, but nonetheless, this is still an engulfing pattern. So what we have is we have two engulfing patterns in the ascending triangle. Okay, so this is a very strong sign that price could potentially break up. Now, this is still pending confirmation, right? Because ascending triangle requires the break of the neckline, or rather the horizontal resistance level, and therefore that will be the key level that we need to watch. Okay, so if price breaks above this level, then most likely what will happen is that price is going to retest this swing high right here. So there's a lot of money to be made if price breaks this level that I have, 1.00107. Now, if you were to look back historically, you switch over to the line chart as well, you can see that this level was also the previous support. Okay, so it's pretty common sense. This was support, and if price were to break this level soon, then we can expect price to retrace back to the high right here. Okay, so just watch this level. I think that this is something that could be very lucrative, right? Just try to get in with a small stop loss, right? Manage your risk, and then you should be fine for this Ripple trade. Okay, hope you got a ton of value, right? To make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not already done so. If you have any other cryptocurrency pairs that you'd like me to analyze, just leave a comment down below, and if I do see any good setups, I will share them with you on this channel. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.